Some cars define an era, and the 1970 Dodge HEMI Challenger is one of them. With its bold design, aggressive stance, and legendary HEMI V8 under the hood, this muscle car wasn't just built for the streets. It was made to dominate them. A symbol of pure American power, it became an icon of speed, performance, and attitude. Now, Hot Wheels brings this classic to life in a stunning 1/64 scale die-cast model. Every detail, from the long hood to the wide rear haunches, captures the raw energy of the original. Whether you're a die-cast collector, a Mopar enthusiast, or just a fan of classic muscle, this Challenger is built to impress. Legends like this don't fade. They roar through generations. The power, the design, and the unmistakable presence live on in the hands of those who appreciate true performance. This is the Hot Wheels 1970 Dodge HEMI Challenger, a muscle car that never stops making history.